Alright, this is America's Test Kitchen's Dakota bread. This is flour, water, yeast, salt, honey, 7-grain hot cereal, some nuts and seeds. This is a 10-minute soak of water, yeast, salt, honey, and the 7-grain. This is everything brought together, kneaded into the dough, shaped, and then put into the bowl with a little bit of oil so it can start proofing. You can see it, this is about every 15 minutes it's getting larger and larger. So it looks like maybe it's ready to go, but now we're going to keep on going there. I'm going to go back to the original picture. Look at the size and volume of that. Beautiful. So this is so you can see that all of that air is trapped in. You need to form the gluten in order for that to trap in properly. There's different ways you can punch the dough, fold the dough, expel the air. Just make sure that you get that out. So now we want to shape the loaves. In shaping the loaves, we want a little flour, but not too much. And now we want to create tension. So what I'm doing is dragging the sides of the dough to the backside or to the underside. So you can see the dough is being rolled across the table and my hands are pushing the sides of the dough back to create the tension on top. That's going to give us the form we're looking for in the finished bread. Tension is the name of the game. So we're bringing the dough forward, pushing the sides back, creating tautness on the top. That is imperative for the perfectly shaped loaf. Then we put it on the pan, wrap it to let it proof. You can see it growing along the stages of fermentation. So to check it, we can put the finger hole in it. It'll slowly start to come back out. But look at the lightness, the delicateness of the loaf. The gluten's been formed right through kneading. The yeast have produced the CO2, giving it rise, the fermentation, the lift. We're going to score after the nuts have been put on. And then into the oven. Middle to upper part of the oven is best. 200 degrees is a good temp for this bread. So there's a picture in the book. Here's the real loaf, pretty close.